My dad ordered from me, and he's going to tell you how he did that.
Hi Ishi. Thanks for introducing me. So yes, I ordered this online and I got this for free, and that's because I ordered this using the Creative Kids voucher that's available to residents in New South Wales.
Wow.
So normally you would actually do an activity, right? And like an art and craft activity or something like that, and you can use that voucher.
Yeah.
But with the Creative Kids voucher, you can also use it to get supplies from online. And that's what this is. So I ordered this through craftkids.com.au, where you can go and select an art pack, and then using your voucher, you can put the order through, right? So that's how that's come. So this actually came for Tanush. That's Tanush. So yeah, let's see what they sent and what's inside.
Let's open it. Oh, I like it. Okay, we got it. Let's see. Where do I open it? Don't rip it. Wait. Here. Whoa. 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 So this is the book. This is Craftkids. Creative box. Says, thank you for choosing Craftkids. With coloring pencils and coloring again. Cool, there's lots of coloring. Yeah, like only one piece. Look, pipe cleaners, Mortal maggot. Mortal maggot. I heard of that. This is picture frame. He can paint it with glitter on. Look at this. Glitter. And then there's look at this. I have paint. Paint. Looks so cool, right? Look, I have paint. Yellow and blue, and purple paint. And there's this glitter with a popsicle stick, magic liquid, and washable clear glue. I have more coloring pencils, markers, and look, look at there's this fish that you can color in with sand. Look, painting and not coloring. It's this thing where with this sharp thing you have to scratch and you can color in. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button.